Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I got a really pretty condo for you in Bonifati. Now I've been itching to get out to Bonifati to take a really close look at the town and the seaside and everything down in that area because it just looks so beautiful, and I haven't really explored that area just yet, but I'm going to. It's down around the Belvedere Maritimo area. This property is gorgeous, fully renovated, beautiful sea views. And it's got all kinds of things, like it has this little separate outside courtyard, it's got a beautiful terrace, and it has a dedicated parking space, and I understand that you can possibly use the pool in the summertime, and that's something you probably really want to take advantage of. Take a look, guys.